Hey everyone, and welcome back to Credence Hub. Are you a student dreaming of earning some extra income, but all you have is your mobile phone? Well, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to share 7 proven ways you can start earning money online as a student using just the smartphone in your pocket.
Now, the best part.
These methods are all beginner-friendly and require little to no investment to get started. Now make sure you stay till the very end, because the 7th method I'm going to share is a bit of a hidden gem that has the potential to grow from a simple side hustle into a full-time career.
Oh.
Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Let's dive right in. First up on our list is online surveys. Now, before you roll your eyes, hear me out. Apps like Swagbucks, Y-Sense, and even Google Opinion Rewards are fantastic for earning a little extra cash in your spare time. You can do it while waiting for class, commuting, or just chilling on your couch. They give you quick tasks like filling out surveys, participating in polls, or sometimes just watching a short ad. It's not going to make you rich, but you can easily make an extra $20 to $50 a month just for your opinions. That's enough for a few meals, your coffee fix, or a new video game. Here's a pro tip. Use multiple apps. The more platforms you're signed up on, the more opportunities you'll get each day, maximizing your earnings. The second method is freelancing, and this is where the real potential starts to show. If you have a skill like designing posters with Canva, editing short videos, or writing articles and captions, you can start freelancing right from your phone. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer have amazing mobile apps that let you create a profile, find jobs, and communicate with clients from all over the world. You could be helping a small business in another country design their social media posts, all from your dorm room. Many successful entrepreneurs started out as student freelancers. The key is to start with small projects, always deliver high-quality work, and slowly build up your profile and reviews. Third, let's talk about content creation. You're watching content right now, so why not create it? Your phone's camera is more than powerful enough to get started. You can create educational content like study tips for a subject you're good at. You could start a lifestyle vlog, sharing a day in your life as a student. Or you could even make funny skits and memes. Platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels have algorithms that can push your content to millions of viewers even if you have 0 followers. As your audience grows, you can start earning money through ad revenue, brand sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Remember, when it comes to content, consistency beats perfection every single time. Just start posting. Our 4th method is online tutoring. Are you the person your friends always come to for help with math or chemistry? Why not get paid for it? You can teach younger students in your own country or even international students through apps like Preply or Cambly. These platforms connect you with learners who need your help. You can conduct sessions right from your phone using video call apps like Zoom or Google Meet. Many students are already making a respectable $100 to $300 per month just by teaching subjects they are passionate about for a few hours a week. You're essentially getting paid to share what you already know. Coming in at number 5, we have selling your study notes. Yes, you heard that right. All those hours you spend taking meticulous notes can actually make you money. Students are always on the lookout for high-quality, well-organized notes to help them prepare for exams. Platforms like StudoQ, Course Hero, and even e-commerce sites like Gumroad allow you to upload your notes as PDF files and sell them to other students. If you're a dedicated student who takes great notes, this is one of the most passive ways to earn. You do the work once, and your notes can keep earning you money semester after semester. It's literally turning your study time into a side income. Method number 6 is print on demand. This one is for all the creative minds out there. It's with mobile-friendly apps like Canva for designing and platforms like Redbubble or Teespring. You can create and sell custom merchandise without ever touching a single product. You can design cool graphics, funny slogans, or beautiful artwork for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and stickers. When a customer buys your design, the Print and Dan company handles all the printing, packaging, and shipping. You just sit back and collect the profit. There's no inventory and no risk. Students are earning hundreds of dollars a month just by uploading creative designs they made on their phones. And finally, our 7th method, the one with massive potential, affiliate marketing. This is how it works. You join an affiliate program, like Amazon Associates, and you get special links for products. You then share these links on your WhatsApp groups, your YouTube channel description, or in your Instagram stories. Every time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The key here is to recommend products you genuinely use and believe in. For example, you could review the backpack you use for college or the laptop you use for studying. By building trust and giving honest reviews, your recommendations become powerful. With the right strategy and a targeted audience, affiliate marketing can grow from a small side hustle into a significant full-time income stream. Now, let's have a quick reality check. None of these methods are get-rich-quick schemes. They won't make you a millionaire overnight. But what they offer is a real, legitimate way to build an income stream. If you can stay consistent and dedicate just 1 or 2 hours a day, you will start to see results. Many successful people started small with one of these ideas and then scaled it up into a full-blown career in freelancing, content creation. Secret formula is simple. Consistency plus patience equals success. Your small start today can lead to a very big future. A few extra tips before we wrap up. Make sure you set up an international payment method like PayPal or Payoneer to receive your earnings, as many of these platforms are global. Try to focus on mastering one skill or method at a time instead of spreading yourself too thin. And most importantly, be wary of scams that promise you a lot of money for no effort. Legitimate work always requires effort. And that's it for today's video. These were 7 practical ways for you to start earning money with just your mobile phone. Which method are you most excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to Credence Hub. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss our future updates on online earning ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.